All right, guys, so today we got this Mishimoto air to water intercooler tank. And what we're gonna do is just gonna get it installed in the car. And we gotta figure out where we're gonna get it installed at. I don't think there's a lot of room in my car. So where are we gonna install this? Let's find out. Let's get to it. Could put it up front up here somewhere, just almost kind of sort of like a fuel tank that sits up front. That may be a good option. So I could put it up here, like, or what is it, a fuel cell. All right, so you see here, there's not a lot of room in my trunk to put it in here. It's not gonna fit. I would have set it up top here, but my roll cage is there and my weights is there. So there's not room here. It would have fit there, but that would have meant I would have to move the battery back over here, and I can't do that because I have lines going in there. So we got to put it somewhere else. It won't fit anywhere else. It's a 5-gallon one. So I think the only place I'm gonna have to put it is inside the car, right behind the passenger seat. So let's get to it. Hopefully we don't mess up the car. All right, so that's got that one drilled and lined up pretty good. Got 2 bolts back here, and but I got a spacer. I just need longer bolts, so to level it out. So you can see how it's somewhat crooked, not crooked, but it's slanted towards the front right here. I was trying to figure out where I wanted to put this, man. I have absolutely no space in the trunk, but this seems to work fine, right? Set my seat back, and if I get Kirky seats, it'll be more straight up a little bit, and then can slide it back. Same thing with this. It could be a little bit more straight up and slide it back. This spacer right here, this in some suspension components that I'm not gonna use, and this one right there. So I just need longer bolts, but that should level it out more once I pick it up, but I won't be able to bolt it down because that bolt's not long enough. But yeah, so that should be it. So I just need to get the other side done over there and drill that one, and we should be good. And then I need to tighten these right here, and I need to order a pump. Guys, so this is why I never throw bolts away. I found these in the toolbox. Now these are way too long, but I got some spacers. The tie rod ends or sway bar. So I'm gonna use those, right? I'm gonna use this as well. I'm gonna use this spacer as well. And there's another one that I'm gonna use. We'll show you how it's gonna look when it's done. So let's put it together and I'll show you how it looks. All I needed to do was to hold this tank. All right, this is it. They're in there, so now. And I was gonna go buy some new bolts, but I'm glad I didn't. Ah, man. I'm coming in right now, I got 2 bolts tightened. Why you don't wanna watch it? Well, we can watch something in the room. Huh? You can take that bowl in the house. Put my clothes in the dryer. All right, guys. So that's it. She's mounted. You see how really long these bolts are? I mean, I could have centered these spaces out, but yeah, these are tie rod end bushings. It ain't going nowhere. See, it's just me shaking it. Yeah, she ain't going nowhere. She good. But anyway, so I had to drill out these spaces, bore these spaces out, and then I used that one, and then I bored that one out. So same way on the other side. So she's good. She He ain't going nowhere. All right, now I gotta tighten these down and order my pump and see where I'm gonna put the pump to. A little more race car. It works. All right, so that's where the ice tank's gonna be. I was trying to figure out where I'm gonna put this thing to. But right behind the seat is good. So, all right, just have to open her up. Get in here, put some ice in there. Should be all good. Might put some insulation or something underneath so it don't get too sweaty, but it'll be fine. Good. This thing's mounted. Then, what I may do while I'm here, I should have already did it before I mounted it, but it's fine. I should have drilled a hole right here so I can run a drain, so I can just open it up and let it drain out through the ground there. Which I can still drill a hole, you know, ain't no big deal. I can come in here and drill a hole and then run a line over here to drain out. You know, it'll be fine. One less thing to do. Done, getting closer and closer.